Welcome to JH. Today, I will demonstrate how to link Jira with Power BI. Combining these platforms is ideal for anyone wanting to merge project management with advanced reporting. This integration streamlines your data analysis and improves decision-making. Let's walk through the setup process together. Begin by opening your Jira dashboard. Sign into your account and make sure you are on the main homepage. This area displays all your current tasks and serves as the primary starting point for our integration. Once you're on the home screen, move your cursor to the top right and select the settings icon. This opens the main configuration menu where you can adjust your preferences and manage third-party connections. Think of this as your control center for customizing your Jira setup. Inside the settings menu, find and click on the Apps tab. This section allows you to browse and manage all external tools linked to your account. By entering this area, you can significantly expand what Jira can do by adding specialized software like Power BI. This section is built to help you find applications that fit your specific business requirements. With the Apps page open, locate the search field. Type Power BI into the bar to find relevant integrations within the Jira Marketplace. This marketplace is a great resource for finding tools that boost your team's productivity. Review the search results and look for the Power BI Jira connector. This specific tool acts as the bridge that enables seamless data flow between Jira and Power BI. Select the connector from the list to view its specific features, benefits, and user feedback. On the product page, click the option for the Power BI connector for Jira. This takes you further into the setup, where you can review the technical details required to merge your project data with Power BI's visualization tools. On the connector's main page, you will see a Try It Free button. Click this to begin a trial period, which lets you evaluate the software's performance within your organization. Testing the integration first ensures it aligns with your specific reporting requirements before you commit to a full version. You have now initiated the Jira and Power BI integration. While we won't cover every configuration detail here, the trial period offers plenty of time to explore how data transfers and how to customize the workflow. This connection empowers your projects with deep analytics and better visibility. By combining Jira's management strengths with Power BI's visuals, you'll reach new levels of insight. Remember that different teams have unique reporting needs, so feel free to explore the various settings available in both tools to maximize the integration. I hope this guide simplifies the connection process for you. Linking these platforms will greatly enhance your data analysis capabilities. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out if you need more help. Happy analyzing!